Assalamu alaikum dear friends. I hope that you all are fine. So today, as you know, that we have started a new lecture series that how to learn English, how to improve your own English. It is very simple to learn English grammar. So today we are going to discuss the main 6 tips to improve your English. I will discuss the main 6 tips that how to improve your English. So stay tuned with me. First of all, the main point, first of all, the main tip is that change your language on your mobile phones or computers in English. That, as you know, that you are using social media, Facebook, XYZ, that all the things, all the applications, change the all applications in English. Maybe you would be using in English, but some of you maybe not using in English, they would be using in their own language. So use the all applications in English. The main point is that all social media apps such like Facebook or other apps, Twitter, XYZ, that all the applications would be in English. Second tip is that read and watch news in English. As you know that we all used to watch the news in English, but the basic point is that if we would learn, if we want to learn the basic English, so we have to know that how to catch the English points. So it is very simple that read the news. That this is the it is a Dawn newspaper. Okay, it is a Dawn newspaper and it is totally in English. You can use the Dawn newspaper. You can use the news strategies such as BBC, such as others. So watch the news in English. It will help to improve your vocabulary. The third point is that listen music in English. We all are happy. We all enjoy by using music, and we all enjoy by listening music. So if you would listen the music in English, it would improve your lyrics in English. Fourth point is that watch English movies. It is very hard, it is very difficult to watch the English movies, but if you would watch English movies with subtitles, it would be very easy to watch and understand the language. Watch children cartoons and use the children books. Now you would be thinking that why I am using this point, that what is the benefit of watching the children cartoons. If you would watch the children cartoons, because the children cartoons, it is very simple to learn English because they use very simple English. They use very simple words. And if you would read the children books, that would be very in simple wording. Find the partner. The last point is that find the partner to whom you would speak English with. Your partner, that can be your friend, that can be your family member, that can be any person. It is very important that if your friend would be using the English, so it is very easy to learn English. Hopefully, I hope that you would learn something from me. Thank you, that's all.